Hello everyone, I am Karan Kothari, and as a part of our Studio 2, which is Construction Project Execution, Monitoring and Control, our project was Astronomy Exhibition Center. Coming to the project brief, the name of our project is Astronomy Exhibition Center, which is having a total project cost of 138.28 crores, and the scope includes the construction and maintenance of planetarium with 200 sitting capacity. The project was initiated on 12 June 2017, in which the construction started on 12 December 2019 and expected to complete on 2023. The contract period is of 7 years, in which 2 years of construction and 5 years of maintenance, and it is easily accessible from railway station, airport, and bus stops. Construction activities. Main utilities of power and water both are provided by the client, and the power line is taken from the main panel shed and runs through the intermediate distributory panels inside the site. And this shows the list of the approvals required. And the site clearance was done by the contractor of the nearby site. So our contractor had a minimum role in clearance of the site. Coming to the This shows the existing site layout with the blocks A, B, C, and D, and the center planetarium P with temporary structures. On the right image, we can see the suggested layout as a part of Lean technique and the Kaizen. The suggestions are explained in detail in the further slides. So, unorganized materials or storage was observed on a site for which we suggested that it should be stored in an organized manner and reinforcement should be stacked over proper wooden sleepers. And unfavorable safety practices were observed for which safety card, then permanent lighting systems, barricading, safety awareness boards, etc. should be provided. The improper waste management it was observed for the reinforcement scraps were not properly segregated. So for that, reinforcement scrap could be properly separated based on the diameter, and a scrap yard with color segregated waste bins should be provided. In the distance position of contractor's office and quality lab, in which the contractor's office and quality lab are 143 meters far from the site, so we would suggest to shift it to the material laydown area. And the labor washrooms are 194 meters away from the site, so we would suggest that it should be behind the back of block B. And the position of the power distribution panels are located near the middle of the site, so the distribution panels could be placed around the periphery of the site, and there was no proper parking for the in the site, so we would suggest parking for two-wheeler and four-wheeler near the material laydown area. Coming to the port planning and the reinforcement activity, the in which reinforcement activity was studied and quantity of reinforcement was calculated and came out as 822 metric ton and at a cost of 52,000 per metric ton. The total cost came out to be 4 crores 27 lakhs. Also, we proposed Kaizen tool for steel stacking arrangement, and as it required an area of 114 meters square and available was 299 meters square, so the area is sufficient. The peak reinforcement requirement is in the month of April, while concrete is in the April and May, and peak labor requirement is in April and May and least in June. In the micro level cost breakdown, 50% account to the reinforcement while 29% account to the labor cost. Under the contract administration, 33 conditions of contract were studied and compared with FIDIC Red Book, and variations were analyzed, in which some of the actual observation on site is payment is done on the monthly work basis in current situation as opposed to the contract with state milestone based payments. And for the dispute resolution, first option is the amicable settlement, and if that does not work, the next option is the arbitration for which the flow is shown in the figure. Under the quality management, cost of the quality incurred by the contractor to prevent poor quality. So for which the cost of quality is split into three parts, which is prevention cost, appraisal cost, and deviation cost, in which the total cost of prevention is 12 lakh 16,000, the total cost of appraisal is 15 lakhs 85,000, and deviation cost includes the two NCs, which is breaking of extra height of column casted and uneven concrete surface, for which the total cost came out as 17,432. Under this, some deltas which we observed, a documentation of site instruction and external audits could be done. Coming to the material management, lead time was studied for various materials. For example, lead time for coarse and fine aggregates is 2 days. Then reinforcement procurement plan was studied and found that individual order would not be right process as it owes to high transportation cost. So for that, port PA1 and PB1 order can be placed together. Similarly, for port PC1 and PD1, it can be placed together. And contractor at a site uses FarVision ERP system for inventory management, and it displays the indent number, indent date, item code, item name, and this software is used for PO and material intent process only. So we would suggest that it can be improved such that it conveys the present stock, dead stock, and cost implications. And codifications for items were done in ERP system, which could also be integrated in physical too. Coming to the conclusion, the key learnings for the pre-construction activities, the approvals related to planning are obtained by the DTA, and the consent to establish labor license, WCC policy, car policy, etc. obtained by the contractor, and no delays were observed during the process, and site clearance was done already by the contractor working on the project nearby. Then site layout planning and analysis, in which the existing site layout was studied and deltas were identified, and based on these suggestions have been given, and the temporary structure area increases by 13.5% by provision of additional features like more parking and labor washroom. And planning and scheduling, the total reinforcement quantity is 822 metric ton and the cost is 4 crores 27 lakhs. And the peak reinforcement is the month of April, the peak concrete requirement is the month of April and May, and the peak labor requirement is highest in the month of April. In the contract administration, the contract conditions were studied and compared with FIDIC, and in the dispute, the amicable first step is the amicable settlement, and if that does not work, then the next option would be arbitration. In the quality management, the cost of quality covered appraisal, prevention, and the deviation cost, and higher quality management cost would prevent the expenditure of the cost towards a failure. Under the material management, lead time for several materials has been analyzed, and procurement plan for reinforcement has been suggested. ERP software used at site could be improved in that such that it conveys present stock, dead stock, and the cost implications. And coding for the materials should be done for the items on site as it is done in ERP software. Thank you.